Hi. Today I'm going to show you how to wirelessly connect a remote phone and a TV.
Соединяя без проводов, удаленно телефон и телевизор.
I installed an app like
Установила
this from Play Market.
такое приложение SmartSync
SmartSyncs is
называется.
called. Let's get in there.
Заходим в него.
Open it up. Click on the plus sign. We need to add a device.
Нажимаем на плюсик. Нам нужно добавить устройство.
We have a TV.
У нас телевизор.
He found it right away,
Нажал
Samsung.
Samsung.
I found the name of the TV from the settings in the device.
Телевизора нашла из настроек в самом
If you don't
устройстве.
have the
Если
instructions,
вдруг нет
you can do it like
можно
this.
сделать вот так. И выбираем.
And we choose.
Мгм.
With the remote.
Пульта. Включила.
Here's the device
Одно
detected.
устройство.
Choosing.
Выбираем.
Done.
Готово.
I have it added in my settings.
В настройках.
For some reason it says that it failed to register, although the registration has passed.
Регистрация.
Accordingly, I turn up the volume on my phone.
Я делаю громкость на телефоне.
That's how you see it, isn't it?
Вроде.
There's something glowing. I'm adjusting the volume.
Громкость регулирую.
And here I can do it.
Здесь я могу это
And
делать.
also everything else I can pick out here.
Могу я здесь всё выбрать.
Here's the pick.
Выбрать
Turn on the set
увеличить
top box.
приставку.
Reflects.
Отсвечивает.
Turn on the set top box. Here I turned on the set top
Включила
box.
приставку.
It's also simple to change the TV. So I turned on the TV.
Включила ТВ.
That is, you can perform the entire functionality of the TV completely through this app.
Весь функционал телевизора.
That is, without any complaints at all.
Каких-либо нареканий.
You can do all the functions you have from the remote.
И вы можете делать с
You can do it all from your phone.
всё с телефона.
I'll show you again.
Покажу вам.
Here's the application. It's called SmartThings.
Называется SmartThings.
And through it you can easily connect your phone to your TV.
Соединить телефон с вашим телевизором.
And this video was filmed especially for the channel all about washing machines and home appliances.
Бытовой техники.
If it was useful to
Если
you,
вам было
give it a
полезно,
like,
ставьте
subscribe to the channel.
подписывайтесь на канал.
Bye,
Всем пока.
everybody.